Yo. Oh, that shit so fast. What the fuck, dog? Why that shit so fast? Why that shit so fast? Niggas said I'm about to go and pass gas. Why y'all niggas hating? Yeah, y'all gonna skip class? Well, y'all ain't gonna get this lesson that you need bad. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I need bags of that green shit so I can get blasted. I don't give a fuck. You know I'ma stash it if I take it. Yeah, you know I'm gonna have it. I don't give a fuck. Don't doubt it. And if you do, you gon' get what I'm going about it. I don't give a shit, and my mind is fucking clouded. And yeah, you know I'm climbing up to the top with the piffy in my lungs. Yeah, you know I'm about to drop. I don't give a fuck, you know I'm not stopping. Yo, I'm straight motherfucking watching these niggas hating. And I don't give a shit, man. I'm anticipating to get a fucking million in my pants. Yeah, with no children. I don't give a fuck, that's my dream. And if you hating, well, you can suck my motherfucking green. I don't give a fuck, take these in your mouth. Bitch, nigga, you about to take it in your house. I don't give a fuck, get the change about your couch. Even the little things in your fucking mouth. Y'all niggas don't want it with me. I don't give a fuck. Y'all don't want it with me. Listen, I'm on a mission, and it's not impossible. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I feel unstoppable. Yo, something like that train with Denzel Washington, niggas insane. I don't give a fuck. I feel like I ain't got no shame when I go in, cause you know I'ma kill the game. I'm a threat. These niggas ain't nothing. I'm about to go at they fucking necks. Yeah, something like a dog, and I don't give a shit. These niggas hopping like they fucking frogs. Yeah, getting scared. I don't give a fuck, be aware. Niggas know I'm about to make a fucking disappear. Yo, I got the green, got the diamonds in my ear. And if you don't see it, well, use a fake nigga, yeah. What? Stop looking at me phony. Nigga, stop grilling me. Cause you's a gay nigga and you feeling me. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm about to kill this nigga B. Yo, cause he's straight strange and the range in the head, nigga. I'm insane and I don't get no fucking money for this. Yo, I don't give a fuck. I'm funny for this. Yo, use a dummy for this. For straight trying to come out my neck. Use a dummy for this. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Make money for this. Yo, I weigh it up. And if it don't weigh it up, I get the measurements. Bring it back like who the fuck is this? And who the fuck is selling this? Yo, throw it back in your face. And nigga, take that. Yeah, catch a taste if you want to. Niggas know what I'm gonna do. I don't give a fuck. I'm on some fucking general shit. With my army right in back of me. Yeah, you got them guns strapped with me. I don't give a fuck. I'm packing beat. And if you hate me, you can get a fucking dick in your mouth and stay stopped. Niggas know I'm hot. I don't give a fuck. I'm the coach, yeah. Got my team, yeah. On the fucking court, yeah. Yeah, we came here doing it real, yeah. I don't give a fuck, my nigga stick. I'm on some winning shit. Y'all want some shit. Y'all want some little kid shit. Acting ignorant. I don't give a fuck. You know I'm about to slap them up. Yeah, you know I'm about to cap them up. Yo, something like them Coca-Cola bottles. And now I don't give a fuck. You know I'm fucking rolling bottle. Yeah, got that pussy throbbing. Yeah, and you know I'm straight hopping like I'm stopping. Yo, hip-hop is my hop scene. Now I don't give a fuck, y'all niggas ain't topping me. No, you ain't stopping me. Y'all niggas gon' see who the fuck the best to be. Yo, and there ain't no contesting me. I don't need a fucking referee. Cause when I go in, you know I'm straight taking shots to the head. And if you stop, then you gon' fucking end up dead. You know, I'm going dead. I don't give a fuck.